Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Ethereum from exchanges like Bitmart to your own wallet, such as Metamask. This is a smart move for better security and control over your assets. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's easier than you think, and we'll cover everything from logging in to confirming your transaction. By the end, you'll be transferring ETH like a pro. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Metamask. You'll need some Ethereum in your Bitmart wallet to transfer. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Look for your Ethereum balance. Next, find the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is usually right next to your ETH balance. Select Ethereum as the asset you want to withdraw. Now, here's the crucial part. Switch to your Metamask wallet on another device or tab. Click on your account in Metamask to copy your wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Back on Bitmart, paste that Metamask address into the withdrawal form. Make sure the network is set to Ethereum mainnet. Platforms like Bitmart might have options for different networks, so confirm it's correct to prevent issues. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain's speed. Head back to Metamask and refresh your wallet to see your ETH arrive. And there you have it. You've successfully sent Ethereum from Bitmart to Metamask. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage if you can. If you run into any hiccups, double-check the network settings or reach out to support. Give this video a like if it helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.